Do you go to start your car in the morning and notice blue smoke coming out of the tailpipe? This could be caused by defective valve stem seals. Their main purpose is to prevent engine oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. So as you can imagine, when the valve stem seals start to go bad, it can negatively impact your engine, so look out for the symptoms that we'll discuss today. As mentioned before, the first symptom of bad valve stem seals is blue smoke coming out of the exhaust. You'll typically notice this when you go to start your car after it's been turned off for a while. To paint a better picture in your head, let's consider the engine's operation cycle. When it's on, the oil pump circulates oil throughout the engine. However, once you turn the engine off, any remaining oil that's at the top will sink down to the combustion chamber through the defective valve stem seals. So when you go to start your car, the oil that's been collecting overnight will burn with the air-fuel mixture, resulting in the blue smoke coming out of the exhaust. The second symptom is a loss of oil. You'll notice that you need to add oil more frequently. This happens because oil escapes into the combustion chamber where it gets burned off in the process. The third symptom is noticing bad smells. When oil is burning, it can produce an unpleasant smell. This smell can be best described as a combination of oil and exhaust fumes. The next symptom is oil traces in the tailpipe. You can grab a napkin and wipe the tailpipe to see if it will pick up any oil. If there's any, the valve stem seals could be the cause for this. Now, replacing the valve stem seals can be very challenging. It usually involves a lot of steps, and you need to be precise with what you're doing. That's why I highly recommend using a dependable car repair manual like ALLDATA. They offer over 30,000 vehicle repair manuals covering model years from 1982 to 2023, customized to your specific vehicle's year, make, model, and engine. You'll gain access to trouble codes, service tables, TSBs, electrical diagrams, specifications, maintenance, and much more. So check out the link and the discount code in the description below. Thanks to ALLDATA for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get back to it. The fifth symptom is overall poor engine performance. Oil that's leaking into the combustion chamber can eventually foul the spark plugs. This can affect the engine's performance and cause misfires. The last symptom is an engine light. Since your car could experience misfires, any of the misfire related codes may pop up. If your car is made after 1996, you can use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve these codes. I'll leave the scanner in the description below. Now, it's important to note, if you continue driving with this issue, the burnt oil could eventually harm the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors, leading to more problems in your vehicle.